Well, as I mentioned, spring is here and it's time to do that spring cleaning. And whether you have a home, an RV, whether you have a boat, or maybe you have a trailer or a cottage. And you know what? This is going to be something that's going to give you the power, much more powerful than your hose. And I love this because it weighs under 10 pounds. It's got a cord that's almost 10 feet, the hose rather, almost 10 feet. Different spray modes. You have the mix, soft, medium, and hard. So again, you get all that grime, all that guck off your driveways, your patio stones, and again, anything you want to clean, including your vehicle. 754-755. My buddy Adam Weir is joining me here. Adam, that garage looks like a mess.
It is. This thing, I don't know what happened to it. It is a disaster. But I'm so happy to be here with you today talking about Karcher, talking about cleaning. You know, when I talk about taking my pressure washer out, I don't say I'm going to go pressure wash my deck. I say I'm going to go Karcher my deck. And the reason I do that is because Karcher is in the Guinness Book of World Records for the #1 best-selling pressure washers. It's insane. They've sold over it was 1.8 over 1.8 million pressure washers in 2023. The second place was just over 500,000. So everyone has spoken. Karcher is the #1 brand when it comes to pressure washers, and at this price to get the Rolls Royce of pressure washers is phenomenal. This thing is, like you were saying before, it's under 10 pounds. You've got 1,700 psi of pressure the entire time, so you're really able to take it. Let's put this on hard here, and let's clean some wood. Look at that power that we're able to get out of this. Be able to clean your deck, clean your fences, clean your patio furniture. It's phenomenal.
Yeah, I think it's just amazing how lightweight it is, how compact it is, Adam. Something, even if you have a smaller space or a smaller home, or you're saying, hey, I don't have a lot of room in my garage, small but mighty at 1,700 pounds per square inch. 754-755 is your item number. Adam, I like the adjustability, how you're able to go from mixed to soft to medium to that hard, deep cleaning pressure.
100%. Right here on the top of the hose, you can see I can adjust this from soft and I can spin it all the way to hard. So whatever I'm cleaning, whether it's a soft surface or a hard surface, I'm able to adjust that. That's really important because we want to make sure that we're not damaging the surfaces that we're cleaning, but we're applying the right pressure.
Absolutely. As Adam mentioned, the #1 pressure washer in the world, it is Karcher. We have it right here, right now. This is the K1 pressure washer, almost a 10-foot hose. And of course, it weighs under 10 pounds. Super convenient. Pick it up, 1,700 PSI.